think having resilient skin means that my skin is able to still look young even after I've aged.
Strong barrier against the external factors like pollution, stress,
and looking my best every day.
I think aging gracefully means that I am able to have good wellness overall.
to have a positive outlook towards life.
And good in all as I get older. It is one of the best brands for beauty and anti-aging, and the brand using Korean ginseng and other natural ingredients from Korea.
To me, Sulwhasoo offers cutting-edge technology and deliver results using natural ingredients and no harsh chemicals. That's what I look for when I'm using a skincare.
I believe that Sulwhasoo is a brand that inspires confidence because of the tradition that it's had for many years in Korea.
I've been using the ginseng cream for more than 10 years. It's so nourishing, lovely scent, and I feel my skin so super hydrated.
The cream uses Korean ginseng, which is known for its anti-aging benefit itself. And I also can see the visible result on my face after using the product.
I think definitely being very consistent with the product is great, and as you can see, the texture is really soft and nice, so it really helps when you rub it in very smoothly like this.
Any users in their 20s should start thinking of using anti-aging products.
I would definitely recommend this to basically all the women in my life. This really helps, and I think it doesn't matter what age you are.
It is always better to start early to build a strong skin barrier to combat any external harm to the skin.